Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, button crafts ideas. So let's start today's video. Button animals crafts. Cute button animals like owl, butterfly or cats by mixing button size and colors and googly eyes or parrot. For fun details, button bookmark. Glue a button to the top of paper clip or ribbon. Stylish and practical bookmark for gifts or school. And viewers, button Christmas tree. Shape button into a Christmas tree. Add star, tiny beads or spark handles on ornaments or use as some wall art. Button magnet. Glue small magnets to the back of buttons. Turn magnets bright, simple and useful. And viewers, and draw the first letter of your name and fill it with the button. A preferred personal wall or gifts ideas. Rainbow buttons are arrange colorful buttons in a rainbow shapes. Add cotton balls at the end for clouds. Colorful wall decoration for kids' room. And viewers, button teddy art. Draw teddy bear's outline and fill it with brown buttons. It's make a cute decoration. Baby gifts ideas. Button